Self-motivation. I've got some quick tips to boost your motivation levels. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how to improve your self-motivation. Self-motivation is the ability to get yourself to do things even when you don't feel like it. It's an important skill to have if you want to achieve your goals in life. There are a few things you can do to improve your self-motivation. Set goals and track your progress. This will help you stay on track and motivated. Find a mentor or role model. Someone who has already achieved what you want to achieve can provide guidance and support. Join a community of like-minded people. This can provide you with a sense of belonging and support. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. This will make them seem less daunting and more achievable. Reward yourself for your accomplishments. This will help you stay motivated and feel good about yourself. Remember, motivation is a skill that can be learned and improved over time. With a little effort, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. If you're looking for more tips on how to improve your self-motivation, check out the link in the description below. Additional tips: make sure your goals are realistic and achievable. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Celebrate your successes along the way. Don't give up on yourself. Tip 1. Set small, achievable goals. Break down big tasks into smaller ones, and celebrate each accomplishment. It's a game changer. Montage of energetic activities, flexed biceps. Tip 2. Stay active. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, keeping your energy levels up and motivation flowing. Transition to a peaceful setting, person in lotus position. Tip 3. Embrace mindfulness. Take a few minutes daily to clear your mind. Meditation or a simple walk can do wonders for refocusing your thoughts. Closing scene with a thumbs up. Thumbs up, and there you have it, 3 simple tips to supercharge your self-motivation. Remember, progress, not perfection. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more motivation. Until next time, stay inspired.